Alright, hi guys, this is how to fix a drawer that's broken. So right here you can see this piece is snapped off. So when I pull the drawer out it just flops because this is all broken. So I've got the replacement part here which I'm going to put in its place. First thing I'm going to do is once it's off it's very hard to figure out center. Draw with a pencil down the side of the existing one. Then I'm going to pry it off. Get rid of that. Actually, I'll keep that for length. And I'll mark off on the new one approximate length. So it'll fit on like that. Then I'll cut it. Doing this in my kitchen. It's cold outside.
I go back up so much.
Helpful with a sharp saw.
She's in it. You move.
Hard wood. There we go. So I'm going to bring it back.
Move that pillow.
Line it up.
Both of them, all of them. Yeah, that one.
It's really important that it's lined up perfectly. If it's not, the drawer has a very tight tolerance and it'll sit to one side or the other or twist. It was held in with staples. I'm just going to use 1.5" screws. Number 6. 1.5" is what I'm using. And I'm going to fire it through on an angle so it pokes into the wood. Because under here there's nothing. Start dead center. Then I'm going to turn it so it's at the right angle. Perfect. I'm going to change my drill bit. Just to allow the head to sink all the way into the wood so it can slide nice. I'm going to very carefully line it up. Send it through. sure it doesn't move. That's going to hit and start raising this up. As soon as it does that, just back it off again. I could have pre-drilled it, but this is fine. So it sits flat, and then send it home. Now back here is a solid piece of wood straight under here, so I can drill this one straight down. First I'll rosebud it because I already have that drill bit in. Right in the middle of that, straight down. There we go, solid. Let's go see if it worked. Add in the guide. Slide it in. There you go. Solid draw. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks.